Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today let's hug each other, or better yet, make a bear hug applique. It looks really special, but it's actually very easy to make at home. First, print out the pattern. Trace the templates onto the non-stick side of your iron-on adhesive paper, Bondaweb, Heat and Bond Lite, or similar. Roughly cut the pieces out. Now choose the fabrics you'd like to use. This is the fun part. Iron the Bondaweb pieces onto the reverse side of your chosen fabrics. Once they've cooled, carefully cut them out neatly. And peel off the backing paper. Place a sheet of baking paper, parchment paper, over the tracing template and secure it with a little masking tape. This keeps everything right where it should be. When you're ready, let's start assembling the applique pieces in this order. First, the legs. Make sure everything follows the outline. Then dress number 2. Followed by dress number 1. Add the crossed arms. Then the faces. Hairpiece 1, and finally hairpiece 2. Let everything cool, then gently peel the whole piece off together. You can now iron it onto any base you'd love to make, or easily turn it into an ornament or a bookmark. Now let's work on the face. Cut out the eye tracing template. Align it with the chin and softly mark the eye position. It's time for free motion embroidery. Using black thread, stitch all the lines. Try not to sew right to the edge. Leaving a small margin gives you more flexibility and makes everything easier. Trim away any excess thread. And that's it. We've made the biggest hug, and it's perfect for turning into a glasses case, phone case, or even a makeup bag. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you next time.